Wash, I would prepare like the Filipino, how do you call this? Talong, they call it. And the smaller, the better. So this one is medium size. Wash it and try to poke some holes so that when you broil it, it will not burst or pop out because of pressure inside.
So this will go to...
This will go to like a broil. I prefer broiling or how do you call this? Putting it in charcoal, barbecue, instead of putting it in a boiling water to make it soft.
Do you poke holes if you boil it also?
No, you don't have to.
Okay. All right. So
But
after
you can
this,
do that.
you just broil it.
Yeah.
Boil it and then later. Okay.
Reason why you want it instead of putting this in the hot boiling water to cook is if we broil it, it's drier inside. It will release the eggplant's oil itself, and it's a little bit drier so that when you put some eggs there for the eggplant omelet, it will not be saggy at all.
Okay. So what are you doing?
Frying the, saute the grounded pork
For the torta?
for the torta.
So you saute it first?
Yeah. Before you
Saute it with what?
garlic. Oh, wow! You forgot to.
Forgot to.
The onions.
Are we doing onions too?
Yeah. When you saute.
Okay, so onions cooked or diced? Garlic diced? Now what?
Then put the onions. Saute the onions.
And then the garlic?
Meat. Put this sea salt.
Whole?
Well, I prefer whole. What it does is, I think, it brings out the aroma of the garlic with the sea salt.
And then after it's what kind of white?
After
Sweat or caramelized?
Caramelized.
Caramelized or sweat?
Caramelized and the pan a little bit kind of brown, not really too brown. Then you just put the meat. And then pepper.
Salt and pepper. A lot of, what is that? That's pepper.
A lot of pepper.
But that's it, huh? Just salt and pepper.
Yeah. To me, do you want to put some MSG? I
You
like
do?
to
You do what you need to. Salt, pepper.
When you saute,
You do whole pepper?
no, just see, this is MSG.
A lot.
That makes everything taste good.
So you're just removing it
Yeah.
and then leaving the fat behind?
Yep.
You don't need it?
You can saute the omelette using this fat.
But next
It
step,
makes it flavorful.
okay. So it's done?
Something like this is kind of like burning. You can feel, you see the oil coming.
There's no oil, it's the water or moisture.
Yeah, moisture,
So as soon as
whatever
it's
it is.
easy to peel.
Yeah.
So that's done?
Yeah.
Like how many minutes do you think?
15 minutes, 20 minutes. Oil that covers at least the flat part.
So you want it to be covering the most of the top?
Yeah.
That's pretty hot.
See that?
Yeah.
So now you have, make sure that you have plenty of eggs. Then, make sure that it's covered with egg.
Is the heat high or what?
Number 5 is.
That's pretty high. Was there a lot of oil or no?
Yeah. Make sure that
So you're just kind of dotting it with egg? How long does it take for it to set on the bottom?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Try to move it so that it will be making sure that.
Is there a lot of oil?
Yeah.
So it has to be like kind of covering the sides, the edges?
Yeah.
So let it set for a few and then you flip it, huh? How long do you wait on the other side?
It's the same that it's like brown like this. You can just take the peek a little.
And that's it?
Yeah. Is that how you like it? Like crispy on the outside?
Alright.
Huh? Right. Bon appetit.
Say it to the video.
Hi, Jane.